Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00945 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have opened the SQL Plus editor, login as a common user called C#Scott, which I already created. Make sure that you have enough privileges to execute the SQL statements in Oracle Database. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am creating one table. So I am creating one table called employees 3. So employees 3 table contains 3 columns, and now I am mapping to the cluster. So cluster empno underscore cluster, enter. So you can see one error is getting thrown, ORA-00945 specified cluster column does not exist, which means that the column name specified inside the cluster, right, it does not matches with the column name in the table. So what we need to do, specify the column name which is in the create table statement, which should be matched. Okay, now execute the create table statement, which will fix the ORA-00945 specified cluster column does not exist issue.